What a fun week we've had around here. All this week, we had the chance to bring you snack ideas for Super Bowl Sunday. There was my easy queso, Justin's soft pretzels, Brenda, she had to leave, but Philly cheese egg rolls. Oh my gosh, those were so good. And Jim's chicken lettuce wraps, which were the healthier option after all that week of us eating
Ironic,
junk.
isn't it?
Yeah, we were eating so much junk. All right, here's a look at those delicious recipes and all the fun we had sharing the whole process with you. Take a look.
Hi!
They are gonna help me make Maggie's Crazy Easy Queso. And this is the queso. This will feed a big crowd. Oh, Justin, open those chips. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think about it.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that good? And it is so easy.
I'm Justin Core and my son Philip. Philip, what are we making today?
Homemade soft pretzels.
Yeah! In the meantime, high five your son. Bang.
Should we dip in?
How good it is.
Okay.
No pressure, but do not break my son's
Brenda,
heart.
grab one. Whoa. Here.
Grab that. There you go.
There we go.
Make a little bit of a mess.
Philip, those
okay.
are so good.
Great job.
Today we are making Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. And when I first mentioned this to my team, they were like, whoa, you don't have to try so hard. But in reality, here's the secret. I didn't try it all. Dip it.
Brenda, that's amazing.
You like them? These are heavenly.
And they're so easy. Hopefully they're warm on the inside.
Again, this is day 2 over here.
Good morning, Idaho. Today it's my turn to share a snack that's great not only for Super Bowl Sunday, but we often have this for dinner here at home. There you have it. Quick, easy, healthy, and delicious Asian chicken lettuce wraps.
Jim, those are so delicious. And they
That's a
taste
great
so
flavor.
fresh.
And they taste even better as leftovers.
There was a lot of eating going on.
But there weren't any leftovers, so that's the problem. I have to make some more.
Exactly. Every time we made something, it was gone within 10 minutes around here. And you can find all of these recipes so you can make them at home at ktvb.com right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
A lot of the day-siders are like, how come I didn't have any of that? No, sorry.
It was gone. That's why.